The growing concern for COVID-19 vaccine distribution to health workers throughout the country has been brought to light, with the authorities saying those in Port Moresby are now the priority.
At this stage, we are concentrating on the frontliners and the healthcare workers within NCD.
Dr. Susapu continues other hotspot areas out of the city may also be considered later.
But there is plans of sharing the 8,000 vaccines that we have, especially with Western Province. There's plan for that. And we're also looking at Western Highlands and other provinces that are hotspots.
The Australian government donated 8,000 AstraZeneca vaccines, which was launched last week, with the Prime Minister taking the first jab. Since then, there were concerns over pictures that showed non-medical and health staff, especially VIPs and members of parliament, receiving the vaccine. The National Incident Manager gives assurance it will be rolled out to other parts of the country using existing chains of distribution.
We have the National Vaccine Rollout Plan. We have the communication plan. We are now working on the training, the communication, and also the AEFI teams in the provinces and also the NCC. So we are also trying our very best to make sure that we integrate the new vaccine to our current immunization schedule activities under the national schedule. So yes, that's basically what we are doing. So we'll definitely give you an update by this week or early next week.
The global vaccine situation is such that many rich countries are ordering huge quantities of vaccines under WHO's emergency use listing. Even so, current vaccine productions, according to WHO, isn't enough to supply the world's needs of present. All of this while PNG is still waiting for its share of vaccines it was promised under WHO's COVAX arrangement. Bradley Valenaki, National EMTV News.